This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, stove-top burner, skylight, water heater, air conditioning, leveling jacks, LP detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, Colorado detector, TV, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB is 7,190 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.